Hey, what's going on? Ryan Depaul here, and today I'm excited to show you guys the AI tool made for network marketers. Welcome to myAI, the game changer in the world of network marketing. Imagine a tool that not only just streamlines your business processes, but also boosts your network marketing potential. Now, whether you're a seasoned marketer or you're new to the game, myAI is designed to catapult your success. In today's feature, we're going to dive into a how-to guide on one of our most impactful features, tailored for network marketing. Get ready to discover how myAI can revolutionize your approach and take your business to new heights.
In this video, we're going to start a conversation. So what we do is we start by clicking on start a conversation, and we're going to start a conversation with someone who has liked my post. So this is my own Facebook page, my own timeline. So I'm going to copy a recent post that I've created. And then what I like to do is go to all of the people who've liked my post. So I go for a scroll and I say, who haven't I spoken to recently or in a really long time? And I try to make sure that I reach out to that person because it's going to start a conversation that's really simple and easy. So Diana, I haven't spoken to ever, and she's liking my post, which is great, and I'm friends with her. So I put, Diana liked my post, and you can see that it creates a great conversation starter. So just something to kind of create that relationship with Diana. And I'm going to go ahead and paste that right in here. So I can start a conversation with anyone about any of the posts that I have, not just waiting for them to say, hey, I want some more info, right? And what's great is I immediately get a reply, which is, you're so welcome, you're amazing. And I can continue this conversation as long as I'd like. But that's how you start a conversation using Nowsite. Thanks so much for watching.
And that's how you effortlessly use this fantastic feature of myAI to elevate your everyday experience. But remember, this is just the tip of the iceberg. There's so much more that myAI can do and offers to make your life more smarter, easier, and more connected as well. Now, if you want to get your hands on myAI, what you can do is go ahead and click the link in the description below or in the comments that's pinned. Or if you want a special discount that I have the ability to give, go ahead and contact me through my socials. My number's in the description as well. You can text me or call me, or if you even just have some questions that you want to know more about this and see if this actually is real, feel free to do so, and I will be happy to answer that for you. So with that said, guys, hopefully you got some good value from this one and you actually like what you saw. Don't wait and get your hands on this amazing AI tool made for network marketers. So until the next one, take care, be safe, and be blessed.